Smart Lead Review 2025. Is it worth using for cold outreach? If you're looking to supercharge your cold outreach, Smart Lead promises automation, analytics, and better results. But is it worth using in 2025? Let's find out. Smart Lead automates email campaigns, LinkedIn outreach, and follow-ups. Most people get this wrong. They think automation leads to spammy messages, but Smart Lead allows personalization at scale, including dynamic fields and AI-generated content. You won't believe what happens next. It can automatically track opens, clicks, and replies, giving you real-time insight into campaign performance. The platform also integrates with CRMs and supports multi-channel outreach, making it easier to manage prospects from a single dashboard. For example, you can automatically move leads from cold email to LinkedIn follow-up, ensuring no opportunity is lost. Pricing is tiered based on the number of users and campaigns. While not the cheapest option, the time saved and improved conversion rates often justify the investment for sales teams. So, is Smart Lead worth it? If you do high-volume outreach and want actionable insights, it can significantly increase efficiency. For solo entrepreneurs with low outreach needs, simpler email tools may suffice. The surprising truth is that automation doesn't replace strategy, it amplifies it. Smart Lead works best when paired with thoughtful messaging, targeting, and consistent follow-ups, turning cold prospects into warm leads faster than ever.